Hey guys, Bobby J here, and I need to shoot this video because people ask me all the time, why do you use Lube Oil Supplement in your vehicle? And the story of how I got started on this is one that I want to share with you to maybe kind of spark your head too. We were out at SEMA 2 years ago, and a guy named Steve approached me and he said, listen man, he said, I work for a company called Sound Propeller. And they deal with 30-foot prop assemblies and container ships that haul multi-million dollars worth of goods across the sea. And he said, listen, I just got to let you know how we're using it. And he did a little testimonial with me, so I want you to take a look at this here. Here we are at SEMA, very last day, and I just ran into Steve. Steve has a pretty good story about our Lube Oil Supplement. Steve, tell us about it.
Yeah, we use this. I'm from Sound Propeller Systems up in Seattle, Washington. And we use this on a lot of the heavy-duty gearboxes, heavy-duty seal assemblies. The stuff that we use, this Lube right here, we end up with going into seal assemblies that don't get open for another 5 years. So the product that we put in there has got to last for 5 years, and we've never had a problem with this stuff. This is great stuff.
So as you can see from that video, Steve is a believer in this. So after I heard that story, I got back and I told a couple of my coworkers, and we were like, oh yeah, it's pretty cool. A couple weeks later, he sends me 2 more videos, which I want to show you now. So take a look at these.
And here we are at Sound Propeller, assembling the push-pull rod for this controllable pitch propeller system, and applying Hyperlube as we assemble it. This is what we use to avoid any kind of scuffing or startup wear. Essential Hyperlube. We're here at Sound Propeller assembling a variable pitch propeller system, and this is what we use to avoid startup problems. We use Hyperlube on all of our assembly, also on the seal assembly. This avoids any scuffing at startup.
So as you can see, his guys are literally coating these 30-foot prop assemblies with Hyperlube. After those videos, I was like, you know what, let me give this a try. So I threw a bottle in my car. I got a 2012. I'm sitting at 110,000 miles. Instantly, my starts were better, my vehicle was running smoother, and I know that this Hyperlube is in there just literally coating all of my internals and giving me the protection I need. So I'm a believer. Guys, if that video of them using this on the prop assemblies don't convince you, one bottle will. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Thanks, guys.